Everybody, hope everyone's well, having a great day. Got some jalapenos. I've got a ciabatta roll, so I'm going to make a breakfast roll. I've got a couple of rashers of bacon, thick cut, stocked up on cheese again, so a bit more cheese, and got a couple of eggs. So the ciabatta roll, I'm going to butter. I'm going to throw that, or put it, in the frying pan with some cheese. Get the cheese nice and golden stuck to it. I might put the eggs in the air fryer in a basket, which looks like that, and just grease the inside so it doesn't stick to it. And then I can just flop that out straight into that. A couple of rashers of bacon I'll put in the frying pan over there, and take it from there. Jalapenos into that basket, if I can get them in there. Something like that. Then just bust some eggs in there. Just white eggs. Just break that egg. There we go. In the air fryer, 11 minutes. At 200, 11 minutes. Air fry, 11 minutes. Go. Right, bacon. This one. So yeah, another scorcher of a day today, and I don't know what happened to all that rain we were supposed to have yesterday. I didn't see any. Yeah. There you go. Cut the ciabatta roll in half. That's me opening the cheese up, ready to rock and roll. And butter on there, don't we? Got 6 minutes left on the eggs. I usually leave my kerrygold out, so it's a bit softer, but because of the temperatures at the moment, put it back in the fridge, but which is a fatality, because it goes rock solid again, doesn't it? Just need to find a happy place for it to go, not in the fridge. Well, I don't know if you can see that or not. Just going to slide them over there. Just going to toast these up in the pan. Like that. Get them doing their thing. Okay, what we've got here, 4 minutes left on the eggs. There's the eggs, 4 minutes left. Look at that. Whoa. Right, I'm going to stick that there, like that. Get that there, back there. Pour my cheese over that. Gonna pour my cheese over that one. A bit too much cheese, but you know, whatever. Gonna get one of them and thunder that on top of that, hopefully. put one of them on there, like that. Right, that's never that done. In fact, let's flip it and have a look. Oh yeah. Ooh. Crispy cheese, melted underneath. Lovely. Right, let's dish this up. Right. There we go. There's the bottom. Hopefully I can get this out the air fryer without burning myself. There's one of them. Oh. And there's the top one. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can drop you down. Bacon, cheese, egg, jalapenos. Lovely. A bit of sideways on action. And yeah, cheese is just gooey by the looks of it. Yeah, eggs are all cooked through. Bacon's done. Lovely and crispy. In ciabatta roll with kerrygold. Yeah, if you see the video yesterday, you can see I caught the sun. Bit hot today, wasn't it? But there you go. There you go. Look at that. Lovely. Oh. So yeah, easy to make, ready in, well, about 11 minutes I suppose. The eggs were in the air fryer 11 minutes. If you're going to do them in that basket, just make sure you give it a bit of butter on the inside so the eggs don't stick. Jalapenos in, a couple of eggs in, 11 minutes, 200, easy. And bacon fried, cheese over the top. Sorry, I'll say that again. Ciabatta rolls in the frying pan, toast them up a little bit first, and then move your bacon into the middle pan, bit of cheese across it, slap the ciabatta on top, and just flip it. Just leave them in there, just while you sort your egg out, and it's all done. Super, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give us a like. If you want to see more like this, then let us know. Cheers, bye bye, enjoy the rest of your day.